Go to the next level with the Graco Pro210ES airless sprayer. The Pro210ES delivers the highest speed and performance you need to get to the next job faster. The Pro210ES is one of our commercial series sprayers designed for property maintenance pros, remodelers, and pro painters who demand the highest power and performance. The Pro210ES is ideal for jobs up to 50 gallons in size, allowing you to take on more jobs every week. The Pro210ES stand provides a compact design for easy transport, while the Pro210ES cart provides greater mobility for larger jobs with more surface area. Avoid the mess and hassle by spraying directly out of a 1 or 5 gallon pail, with the ability to use up to 200 feet of hose to save time by keeping the sprayer in one place. For the best finish, the SG3 spray gun includes a built-in swivel for better control and easier spraying. Plus, the Pro210ES delivers the highest flow rate while supporting all 16 true airless spray tips to finish any job faster, even when spraying thicker materials. The Graco Pro210ES, one of the fastest ways to finish your projects. All Graco true airless sprayers are built right here in the USA, allowing you the fastest way to finish with one pass coverage, the ability to spray coatings unthinned with less overspray, and provides pro-grade technology and a user-friendly design. Nothing beats the true airless experience.